you doing, guys? You're watching Dirt Bike Channel. I'm your host, Kyle Brotherson, and this is riding footage from the ride that I took just after Thanksgiving in the Scottsdale, Arizona area. I don't know the exact location of these trails because I was just tagging along with Bartosz from Flow Motorsports and Dave from Fly Racing and a few of the other guys. And we had about 7 or 8 guys in our group in the morning when we took off. And this was a big loop. It was a loop that Bartosz, or 2 different loops that Bartosz put together that he normally does only one loop. Today, he kind of strung them together, and it was technical, and it was slick, and it was rocking, it was nasty, it was uphill, and it was downhill, and it was steeper than heck, and traction was at a premium, and I got a little bit testy at times, as you can hear by my beeping right there, and I'm just begging for traction here. And the funny thing is it's so loose right on top, and I'm using a gummy tire. It's funny because I had a brand new tire for this ride. I put a brand new tire on in the parking lot, in the hotel parking lot before this, and a brand new 505 Cheater tire, hybrid tire, and the thing came back looking like it went through war, because it did go through war. We had a long day of riding, and this is just a taste of what you'll see here today, just a taste of some of the stuff that we did during this day. It was intense, and technically it was my 3rd day back on the bike after 6 months off of it, I guess, or I guess actually 7 months off the bike. So I bit off probably more than I could chew with this, and it was intense. The footage doesn't necessarily do it justice. You can't tell how steep everything is, and you can't tell how loose and slick everything is, and how deep these stinking ruts are. These ruts would just get deeper and deeper and deeper, and pretty soon it was only as wide as your tire down in the bottom, 6 inches of the rut, and then the other part of the rut it had been dug out so much so that on some of these ruts you couldn't keep your feet on the pegs. So I don't know how many of those I have in today's video of the ruts that are that deep, but we went through dozens and dozens of ruts where it was just it's so stinking deep that you're paddling with your feet up over the gas tank. So pretty intense. It was really, really intense riding. Good times were had by all. me. Too much glare.
What is it, just a different foam or?
These ruts are so freaking deep.